Hello dear students of 6th grade. Today I'll go through the chapter number 8 of history. The name of the chapter is The Rise of Magda. Rise of Janapada and Mahajanapadas. People in the early Vedic period led a nomadic and pastoral life and owed allegiance to their clans. By the later Vedic period, the Aryan moved toward the Gangetic plains using iron tools. They cleared forest and started cultivating land. The region rich iron deposits were useful for making tools as well as weapons. The dense forests were a rich source of timber used for building and agriculture purposes. Surplus agriculture production and economic prosperity led to the settled life. ठीक है, जब बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में जो है वहाँ पर एग्रीकल्चर जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो उगने लगे और इकोनॉमिकली वो राइज करने लगे तो पीपल सेटल्ड देयर लाइफ. एज लैंड बिकेम इम्पॉर्टेंट ईच क्लैन क्लेम्ड अ पर्टिकुलर टेरिटरी टू बी इट्स ओन and started naming the area after the ruling clan. This led to the rise of Janapada. इस वजह से जो है जो Janapada rise में आया. The earliest kingdom, the term Janapada mean the place where the Jana or the people set its roots. Subsequently, some Janapadas became more powerful than the other and were called Mahajanapadas. Janapada के बाद जो उनमें से जो बहुत ज़्यादा powerful हो गए तो those are known as the Mahajanapadas. Some Mahajanapadas were formed after invasion of small Janapadas. Most Mahajanapadas had a capital city. Many of these were fortified to protect against invasion. Two types of political systems were prevalent in the Mahajanapadas. Some kingdoms like Magda and monarchies ruled by the hereditary kings. Some other like Vaji were a republic ruled by the Gana or the Sangha or representative elected by the people. Important Mahajanapadas. The ancient Buddhist and Jain texts mention the existence of 16 Mahajanapada in 6th century BCE. They were Magda, Avanti, Kosala, Varsa, Kuru, Mala, Chedi, Kashi, Anga, Vajji, Panchala, Matsya, Surya, Amasla, Cambodia and Gandhara. There was constant struggle for supremacy between these kingdoms. Of these, the kingdom of Vasta, Avanti, Kosala and Magda emerged powerful. Vatsa. Stimulated on the banks of river Yamuna, Vatsa's most popular ruler was Udayana. Its capital city was Kasambi. In present day Allahabad, the city was a center for all trade and economic activity. ठीक है, ये सिटी किस लिए मशहूर थी? ट्रेड और इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए. लेटर द वत्सा किंगडम वॉज कंक्वेर्ड बाय द किंग ऑफ अवंती. इसके बाद जो है अवंती ने इसको ओवरकम कर लिया. Avanti kingdom ruled over the western part of India. The Narmada river divided the kingdom into northern and southern part. The northern part had its capital at Ujjain and southern part had its center at Mahishimati. Ujjain was an important center of Buddhism. Avanti later was taken over by the Magadhan Empire. Kosala territory included the central and eastern part of the Uttar Pradesh. Its capital was Saraswati. अयोध्या, सकेता एंड बनारस वर इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट चीफ सिटी. ठीक है, इसकी मेजर सिटीज़ थी. किंग प्रसेनजीत वॉज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट कोसाला रूलर. उसके जो फेमस रूलर हैं उनका ये नाम था. फॉलोड बाय हिज सन विदु भा. प्रसेंतीज एस्टैब्लिश्ड मैट्रिमोनियल एलियंस विद द किंगडम ऑफ मगधा एंड स्ट्रेंथन हिज पोजीशन. उन्होंने उस मगधा के राज के साथ अपना शादी के तौर पर जो है वो अपना एरिया है उसे एक्सपेंड किया. ठीक है. देयर वर कंस्टेंट कन्फ्लिक्ट विद मगधा. कोशाला वॉज अल्टीमेटली कनकर्ड बाय मगधा वर विदर्भा एंड कोशालाज रूलर. नेक्स्ट इज मगधा. द महाजनापदा वर इन कंस्टेंट कन्फ्लिक्ट विद ईच अदर टू एक्सपेंड देयर टेरिटरीज. तो महाजनापदा के टाइम जो है वो बहुत सारे लोग जो है उन्होंने आपस में लड़ाई करनी शुरू कर दी ताकि वो जो अपना राज जो है वो उसको बड़ा कर सकें. इवेंचुअली द किंगडम ऑफ मगधा emerged as the most powerful. The name Magda first appeared in the Atharva Veda and later in the Yajurveda. It comprised the areas of present-day Bihar and Jharkhand. The Magda kingdom had certain geographic and strategic advantages. It was situated between the upper and lower part of Gangetic Valley. इसका मतलब है कि वो जो एरिया था बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल था और बहुत ज़्यादा फर्टाइल था. द एरिया ऑल्सो हैड फर्टाइल सॉइल एंड कॉपर एंड आयरन डिपॉजिट. ठीक है, उस एरिया में जो है फर्टाइल सॉइल था, कॉपर था और आयरन डिपॉजिट्स थे. Proximity to the Ganga's rivers made it conducive conduct trade. All these factors contributed development of the strong economy of Magadha. So these are the factors responsible for the strong economy of Magadha. The capital of Magadha was Rajgira. The rise of Magadha. अब Magadha का rise कैसे हुआ? The kingdom of Magadha conquered other neighboring kingdoms and emerged as the most powerful Mahajanapadas. इन मगधा की जो साथ में जो नेबरिंग किंगडम्स थी उनके वो अमर्ज होगी उसमें और वो एक महाजनापदा पावरफुल महाजनापदा बन गया. इट वॉज रूल्ड बाय सेवरल स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड एम्बिशियस रूलर ईच ऑफ whom added to the glory of the Magadha kingdom. So student, we have discussed about the chapter number 8 up to the page number 69, and from Bimbisara we will move further in our next assignment. Thank you.